There's Stephen over there now doing a favour of the word. Are you ready to talk to us, Stephen?
Over here,
Oh, you're a real salesman.
Right, what I've done here is created a time delay electronic circuit board, and also created it in a breadboard circuit. So it's just that's an enlarged version of this here. What we'll do is we'll test this one out first, see it's going, and then what we do is we bring it over to the breadboard and test on the breadboard.
So what's the whole purpose of the circuit? Why are you bothering?
This is for your glow plugs there, and it gives you like 20-second delay for your glow plugs, so your glow plugs stay on for 20 seconds.
Yeah.
So in this circuit you have a switch, you have a capacitor which stores energy, which gives you that time, the 20 seconds for the glow plugs.
Where's the capacitor?
This is your capacitor here.
Right.
So that's your switch.
Yeah.
This is your resistor.
Yeah.
This is your transistor.
And what's the resistor in there for?
Just to stop too much power getting into your transistor.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So if you had a direct current in there, you just blow your transistor.
Right.
Then you have your relay.
Yeah.
And then you have your diode. So
and what's the
valve? One-way valve. So the power only goes one way.
Right.
Then you have your load, which is about to indicate that you have power and your circuit is working.
Yeah. And what's the capacitor there for? What's it do?
What it does is it takes energy very quickly and it stores it and then releases slowly. So you have like once I switched, this is push to make switch.
Yeah.
So once I push this off and let loose, the power still stays on for a further 15-20 seconds depending on the size of your capacitor.
Oh, see, so you don't have to hold your finger on it, is it?
No, you don't have to hold your finger on it, no.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll test it out. So what we did is connected power into the mains. We've earthed it into the earth on the board.
Yeah.
And we also, from the relay, we've put it into the solenoid for your glow plugs. So we'll push now and we'll see.
Okay. So we heard the solenoid click there anyway. That's a good sign. Ah, would you?
Yes.
Right. And now, will they go off themselves or what?
They will go off themselves. Once the capacitor runs out of electricity, they'll go off themselves.
Very good, very nice. Now, and you've a right load of wording here. Now, how did you find? Did you do much wording beforehand?
No, this is first wiring. Any wiring I did, I found it very interesting. Like, it started was a bit tough, trying to get the hang of it, but after that, like, it was really good, really enjoyable. So it was like.
And well, you're gonna have, basically you have a complete vehicle wiring system there.
Yeah, almost. Yeah.
And I notice you use the online a lot now. Did you find it any use now for this carry on?
Geez, the online was just great. So it was. That's where in the evening times I go home and I'd look up the circuits, the different circuits for your hazards there and your temperature gauge and your start motor, and then I come back in the next day and then I'm fit to do it then without having to waste time and wait for the instructor who's helping other people out. I can carry on myself and what I'm doing, like host a lot of online sites, so it's really useful, so it is.
That's good. Well done. Magic.
Alright.